Hi, in this video we will make an organic wave table in Rhino. Let's begin. We will use millimeter unit, enable ortho and O snap mid, top view, line, draw reference line, any length, ellipse, radius, 300, radius, 200, offset, 50, move, 300, cage edit, line, start, end, point count, 5. Front view, control points. Perspective, ribbon. Distance, 50. Loose, yes. Extrude surface, 30. Move ellipse, 30. Extrude curve, 5. Offset ellipse, distance, 10, both sides. Move, -10, extrude curve, 25. Change view, shaded mode. Copy, 100. Boolean difference. Move, -100. Change view, render mode. Zoom selected. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.